Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Ansar Gilani, English commentator at Sports and Society. I am present at Golden Quest, a scenic view wherefrom we can cast the eyes down on the ground, and having a very vast setup of paddle world, a format of sports that have rapidly getting the attention of the players around. Just 2 days ago, here it went a mega event that acclaimed and got a greater attention of the players of this format of sports. It was a first experiment, a great success that left behind very deep-seated impressions upon the minds of the players. Came here, played, and exchanged their experiences and skill with the seniors and junior players. The objective was not only to just conduct a show or base an event, rather to bring the stars players, rising stars, mirror each other, and they could have exchange of ideas based on this format of sports, which is getting in a very sharper way attention of the players playing other format of sports like football and cricket, particularly basketball. And this is the multi-purpose ground where plenty of grounds and format of sports stadium is there. But this Golden Quest and combination, cafe combination with the paddle world's format of sports, young stars and amateurs are coming here on daily grounds, and slowly and gradually the administration and executives of the paddle world is coming and bringing changes and making plenty of offers as to how more events and more opportunities could be created for the betterment of the youth. And in this present age, youth is fully, you can say, busy with their studies, and then the social media and internet engagements that is to a larger extent affecting their health and leaving somewhat negative side effects upon the shoulders, upon the nerves and human minds. They are coming under a constant stress of the day and night engagements with the internet and electronic gadgets. So it becomes very necessary as to how to bring the youth out of the highly domesticized backgrounds, and particularly women are also to be brought out so that they do not merely be the domestic pets only, rather they should have an interaction, a wider interactions. And sports is one of the fastest moving industries of the world to help out the people to get groomed and schooled up yourself particularly sports helps a lot to school your emotions, come out of negativity and turn to be the productive products of the modern age. It entirely depending on how you can widen up your interactions. The more you can go with a variety of ideas, but all the creation of ideas only come when you come across with different kinds of people and groups. Merely analyzing yourself and your vision with a few cases and having less material mostly ignites or fuels the emotions and violence and somewhat aggression arises. So to uh, bring the people, to bring the particularly the youth and engaging them with the outer activities is the need of the hour, so that they could interact in wider way and could get the acclamations and make their physical uh, demonstrations and get their intellectual heights through physical exertions and demonstrations. So largely depending on how you are to go and exert it with maneuvering of different formats of sports, at least one sports must have been in your life in the past and might have been some athletics. And athleticism is present in every being, but it depending on how to get yourself spared, least to walk, to jog, to rock the world, world of sports. Sports is one of the fastest industry after education, getting to know and bring the people out of their world of four walls and to interact in, to just kill their narrow ideas and smash whatever it is becoming the cause of tunnel thinking. So this paddle world ground and courts and stadium is present at the outskirts of G11 Marcus, heading towards F11. It is just at the opening phase, and if you are coming from G11 Marcus, just at the yards of 500, it resides at the right end of the, all onlookers and visitors to the venue. So Paddle World having many of the other venues in G13 and the rest areas, but this venue got its status and its presence, a very vital one and a very strong one. The idea was that this is a very ideal view and a spot, and it could be exploited for the right purposes. So another additional advantage of the venue with flooded lights and shops, rays of the lights that glitters up the minds and makes the radiant faces. Along with this, the Golden Crust Cafe. People from different parts of Islamabad, particularly the adjacent areas, they do come here and sit and feel entertained and recreated, and to just ventilate their emotions and ventilate their all suppressions and whatever when they are in their serious domains of life. But this sitting and a better view and sports mingles with a greater opportunity for all the visitors. Golden Crust Cafe and Paddle World Stadium combines and invites and provides a very wider and a broadcast opportunity. Do come here, enjoy and watch the activities of sports present around, and you can just stand here and could glance at the basketball, football, and cricket is also going on around here. But this Golden Quest Cafe and Paddle World is making all of us as to how to be tuned up. Ansar Gilani, English commentator on sports and society, and the originator of the idea One World, One Brain, based on latest mode of learning and earning. The purpose is to not improve or to change the world, rather to integrate the world of middle and lower classes, countries and continents of Asia and Africa to the elitist mindset to pace up with the West through modern syllabus and opportunities. Highly nice of you for listening it all.